Here are 9 great tips for adding your videos effectively to your landing pages. Number 1, put your video as high as possible on your landing page. This will maximize its visibility. Number 2, create an engaging thumbnail that immediately grabs your viewer's attention. Number 3, use directional cues that point to your video like an arrow, a person looking, or simple color contrasts. Number 4, avoid autoplay. Most viewers tend to find this annoying. Number 5, make sure to add subtitles for those watching without sound. Number 6, keep your videos short. People have short attention spans after all. Number 7, host your video on the right platform. Wistia and Brightcove are great for in-depth analytics, and YouTube is ideal if social media is a priority for you. Number 8, include a clear call to action near your video so viewers know what they need to do after watching it. And 9, test, test, test. No matter how perfect everything may seem, you can only know for sure if you test it against alternatives. See you in the next video.